Some shop owners, eh?
You can't control everything, friend.
If you see me open a bakery today, then tomorrow I start working in investment banking, and then tomorrow I'm a software programmer, and then the next day I'm a model, and then the other next day I'm a hair vendor, and then the other time you see me singing, please don't be shocked. I intend to live my life to the fullest. I intend to explore every single talent in me, whether as a hobby, or as a profession, or as a business, or even as an investor. I intend to do everything in this my life. This my one life. I'm going to milk it. Do everything that crosses my mind as long as it's legal and it doesn't go against my values. Finish.
Disappear from here, oh.
So, if you think I'm confused, I'm not though. I'm just very curious about my life and I want to live it to the fullest. No regret.
I want to know how hungry the person who found coconut was. Because have you seen the process of actually eating a coconut? Like there's the big covering and then there's the shell inside. And that shell, you don't eat it directly. You still have to break it. And then now use something to continuously remove the coconut from the shell. How hungry was that person? Just how hungry was that person?
How are you?
Check the meter, screen blink. Numbers
I know Fito.
staring back at me.
Some shop owners,
I
eh?
must have stayed a
That Alika
little
should thank her stars.
high.
Nonsense.
Tell me
Please subscribe,
where's
like,
the
and see you in my next vlog.